Welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be about sentiment analysis. This video is going to be one of the videos that I create for my natural language processing with Python playlist. I will be adding its link in the cards of this video. Let's start coding. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, is a natural language processing technique used to determine the sentiment expressed in a piece of text. It involves analyzing the text to understand the writer's attitude, opinions, emotions, or sentiments toward a particular subject, product, service, or topic. In data science, sentiment analysis is often applied to social media comments, customer reviews, and other text data sources. The goal is to categorize the sentiments expressed in the text as positive, negative, or neutral. So let's see how we can use that. At the first step, I'm going to start by making an import. I'm going to say from natural language toolkit.sentiment import sentiment intensity analyzer, and after that I'm going to create a sample sentence like I absolutely loved the movie, it was fantastic. Okay, after that I'm going to initialize sentiment intensity analyzer like Sid is going to be sentiment intensity analyzer. So after that we can just get sentiment scores in something like that, sentiment scores Sid.polarity scores, and we will give the sample sentence. After that I'm just going to call the sentiment score, and we can see that positive is 0.6, neutral is 0.3, and 0 negativeness, and compound is 0.84. So the compound is the one that we need to look for. Like we are just going to check this one, and if it is greater than 0 then it means it's positive. If it's closer to 1 it's more positive, like strong positive, and if it's closer to -1 then it's strong negative. It's like -0.03 or something like that, it's weak negative, and if it's 0 we are going to understand that it's neutral. So the compound score is going to be our metric on this sentiment intensity analyzer, and I'm just going to change that like I hated this city, everyone is so rude. So after that I'm just going to make it run all, and we will see that we have negativeness, neutral, and compound is 0.84. So it's a high score. So let's try to hit a neutral one. Let's say I am not sure about what to eat, like this. After that I'm going to say like the neutral is higher and negativeness is around 0.2, and we have a weak negative score in here. Let's say something like today is a great day, I am planning to visit my friend, and let's see the scores on that. It's 0.82. Great, so this is the concept. I'm going to create a data like it's going to be, let's firstly import pandas. I'm going to show you how we can imply that in a pandas data frame. I'm going to create a data like sentences, and I'm going to say this product is terrible, and I'm going to say I am never coming back again, and I will say it's now positive thing, I love the food, and we can say like I love being in this city, and let's say such a wonderful place. After that I'm going to create a data frame like pd data frame data, and after that I'm going to say call the data frame firstly sentences we have. I will say data frame sentiment scores, and I will say data frame sentences dot apply lambda x Sid polarity scores, and I will give x, and I'm only going to take the compound like this. So in this way when I call the data frame I just took the compound, we will see the compound scores only like this in here. Great, it's 0.52, it's neutral, it's positive, positive, positive. I'm not sure why this is neutral. Maybe this can be also used positively, and we can see that it worked nicely. Also we can change this like come back again, it was horrible, and I'm going to change it like that so we can see if we are going to have any change on that side. Yeah, it's negative right now. Great, okay, so this is the implementation of it on a pandas data frame. Don't forget to take the compound if you want to just take the compound part. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sharing 2 or 3 new videos every week about data science and Python programming. You can subscribe to my channel, for more videos like this. I have a playlist named Natural Language Processing with Python. You can reach to that playlist from the cards of this video. See you in the next tutorial.